So Singapore has been a very special place for BigRep from the very beginning. We have had a BigRep printer for over 1.5 years at the National University of Singapore, and coincidentally this week we are also part of the Itai Festival at Marina Bay. It was visited by thousands of visitors, and we actually helped printing large lampshade designs. On the other hand, Singapore is very important for us because we are adding our first Asian office now here. Singapore will be the headquarters for the Asian Pacific activities at BigRep. We already have a reseller here, and we will have a small team working out of this office for the whole region. So the unique thing about our visit here in Singapore is the cooperation with Dr. Sascha Peters. He put together a show called Innovation of Interior, which shows different techniques in 3D printing and also different material. And we are part of it, of course, showing our big scale 3D printed objects in the furniture industry.
Yeah, my name is Sascha Peters. I'm from Haute Innovation, Berlin. We are a company focusing on new trends, new innovation, technologies in fields of 3D printing, new materials, lightweight, smart materials, sustainability. For the furniture industry, for interior design, we have some furniture around. We have some new materials. Printed metal pieces, printed tables, printed seats, printed joints in metal, parts in concrete, in sand, and we have laser sintering parts in the back of the exhibition, flexible material, a shoe from Adidas, lampshade, so all kinds of new applications for the area of 3D printing and additive manufacturing and what is possible.